So now we've been at 5 minutes at high pressure. And again, on this model, you can see that pins up. So to release it, to get rid of that pressure so we can open it on this model, all I do is push down this pin. And all that steam will escape. And once it escapes, how will I know it's done? Well, the pin won't pop back up like that. Also, I have to tell you that when the steam comes out during a quick release, the kitchen starts to smell fabulous, like everything that's in there, and I'm just smelling mac and cheese. So when that's done, we're gonna open it and we're gonna put all the cheeses in. A lot of people ask us, Mark and me, when we teach these classes, well, I've heard about putting these machines in a sink and running water on them to release the pressure. And that was kind of something done in the olden days, and I don't recommend it for a number of reasons, but the most important reason to me is the cold water drops the temperature of the metal so fast, you can actually feel the pot contract. And it contracts so fast that you will start to loosen up the gasket and you will have food maybe spew out from under the lid. So you're in the sink, is that really a big deal? Well, to me it is, because I'm losing ingredients and I don't want to do that, and it causes a bit of a mess. So when we say to a quick release, do the quick release the way your machine requires, which is in your instruction book. And we're almost there. You can hear the hissing's getting less, and it's not popping back up to see the rings, but it's still popping up. So that took about 2 minutes for all that steam to come out. And that is the quick release.